Hey everyone! If you love to cook but dream of a kitchen where everything's easier, faster, and absolutely mess-free, then your wish just came true. Today, I'm revealing my top 5 kitchen hacks that have completely revolutionized how I cook. These aren't just tips, they're genuine culinary spells. And they're shockingly simple. Let's dive into the magic. Hack number 1, the unshakable cutting board spell. How many times has your cutting board danced rock and roll while you're chopping? Annoying, right? This hocus pocus is simple. Dampen a paper towel, fold it, and place it under your cutting board. You instantly have an unyielding, non-slip surface. Your board will stay rooted, making chopping safer and incredibly efficient. Trust me, it's an absolute game changer. Hack number 2, elixir of eternal herbs and olive oil. This is pure alchemy for getting rid of food waste and always having fresh herbs on hand. Got a bunch of basil, parsley, or do you won't use up? Chop them, pop them into an ice cube tray, and fill each slot with liquid gold, olive oil. Freeze them. Need herbs for a simmering soup or a quick sauté. Just grab a gem and toss it in the pot. The oil melts, the herbs release their power, and you save precious time and money. Pure genius. Hack number 3, the instant garlic peel phenomenon. Peeling garlic can feel like a Sisyphean task. Forget fiddling with those stubborn cloves. Here's your secret weapon. Lay a garlic clove on your board, place the flat side of a chef's knife over it, and give it a hard, decisive smack. You'll hear a satisfying crack, and the skin will magically fall right off. It's way faster and blissfully frustration-free. You'll never go back to the old ways. Hack number 4, magic portions of sauces and broths in a muffin tin. This is for all you meal prep wizards and time-saving alchemists. Instead of freezing bulky containers of sauces, pesto, or rich broth, pour them into a muffin tin. Freeze solid, then pop out individual flavor nuggets and store them in a freezer bag. Now, when you only need a little bit of sauce or a cup of broth, you have perfectly measured, magical portions ready to go. Hack number 5, the secret of the room temperature egg. Baking is a delicate science, and cold ingredients can wreak havoc on your recipes. If a recipe calls for room temperature eggs and you forgot this trick, don't despair. Place your eggs, in their shells, in a bowl of warm, not hot, water for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will gently convince them to reach the right temperature, helping them harmonize better with batters and creating a more consistent, flawless final product. And there you have it. My top 5 kitchen hacks that I truly believe will transform your culinary journey. They're simple, they're powerful, and they really make a huge difference. Which spell are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have a kitchen hack you swear by, please share your wisdom. If this video charmed you, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more cooking tips and recipes that will delight your senses, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming culinary adventures. Huge thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Happy cooking!